Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be pretty short and pretty quick. It is going to be a giveaway video. I am so excited to do this. I've been getting a lot of makeup in the mail and like just collecting a lot of stuff that I knew personally I probably was never going to use. So I decided to pile everything up as I got it and make a huge giveaway. So I have a lot of makeup sitting over here. I know I showed you guys on Twitter the other day. I should have had this video up on Monday when I posted it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, but the weather, it's been icy and stuff, and I was spending time at grandma's house, and I wasn't bringing all of this with me, and I wasn't bringing this huge pile of makeup that I'm giving away with me over there just so I could film this video. So it's just been sitting here. Let me fix my hair. Sitting here, and I want to go ahead and get this video up. I'm probably not gonna like pick up everything and show it to you guys. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna focus. Yeah. Because when I tell you guys it's a lot of makeup, it's a lot. I'm gonna go to my Twitter and see if I can show you guys the picture, and I'll like walk through everything that I'm giving away, and then tell you guys about it. But it's like this video would be forever long and so unnecessarily long if I were to pick up everything. Okay, so this is everything in the giveaway. I know I saw some tweets where somebody was saying that this would be a great prize to start their kit or whatever, but I want to let you guys know to start off with, for the 2 foundation lines that I'm doing, that I'm giving away, I'm not giving away every shade to one person. I'm going to give you the choice to pick 2 foundations from each of the brands. So I'm giving away the Jouer foundation and then the new Maybelline 24-hour foundation. So for me, with both of those lines, well, the Maybelline one I only use 1 shade, but I'm just going to give you 2 options. So if you have to mix it to make your match, if any of them match you, then you can do that. But I'm not giving you guys the entire line. 1, that shipping would be absolutely ridiculous for me to pay, and 2, I don't know, I just feel like I can give more to different people instead of just giving all to one person, just to make sure everybody's using it correctly or using it at all. But yeah, sorry for my appearance. Sorry for my appearance. I didn't do my hair, and I'm in a sports bra because frankly, I took a nap in it, I woke up, and here we are. So yeah, but yeah. What else? Let's go through everything that's in the giveaway. Okay, so I have some Huda Beauty lip strobes and liquid lipsticks. Again, so the Jouer foundation, you get 2 of those, and then there's a brush that comes with it. You guys can have the brush as well. And then the Maybelline foundation, you can get 2 of those as well. There's a face mask in here. There's 2 nail polish sets from Nails Inc. I love them. A Laura Geller blush, a Laura Geller Gilded Honey, an Urban Decay priming spray, the Jouer Best of Lip Topper set, the Jouer Best of, I can't see what it says in this picture. I think it's the Best of Metallics, but everything that I have that I'm giving away will be listed in the description box, so you all can go down there and see. Some ABH matte lipsticks in the tube, some of the new Makeup Shack brushes, a Tattoo Junkie liquid lipstick with the pigment, a Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer, a Tarte face primer, the Tarte Pro Glow, Tarteist Pro Glow palette situation contour thing, Tarte Lit and Bloom palette, that sponge from Juno, that blue microfiber sponge from Juno & Co that I was raving about. They sent me 2. So the other one I'm giving away to you guys. I love it. And I got some sleek products in here. So I have the Solstice palette in there. I have 2 blush palettes in there, and then I have the Face Farm palette. And if you guys if y'all remember, after me coming back from New York, I was stuck on those palettes. They're really nice. There's a cream contour kit in here. There's 2 sleek eyeshadow palettes in here, and there's a sleek liquid lipstick set. And then there's some Benefit products in here. So there's a Posy tint, a Go-Go tint, a High Beam, a Hula bronzer, a California blush, a Benefit brush and spoolie, their Air Patrol, the Professional primer, their Real mascara, and then there are some Incredible products. So Incredible is Nails Inc.'s makeup line, so it's their sister company. So they sent me a bunch of lip products, and I know I'm not going to use them all, so I'm giving some to you guys. There's a liquid lip in there. There's 2 lipsticks, and then there's like well, 2 like lipstick in a pin situation kind of thing, and then there's 3 like 2 lipsticks. The Maybelline Python lip kit situation thing is in there. There's 6 pairs of lashes, so 2 from the Lash Bar, 2 from Makeup Shack, and 2 from Huda Beauty. Maybelline sent me, or they gave me their like new primer or whatever, the Master Prime, giving that to you guys, and then the Master Holographic highlighter from their new launch. And then they also have these like inner corner highlighter situation things. They're like little pins in these bags. They're really nice. You're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. And then the Huda Beauty, what is this? It's a highlighting palette, but it's like the different colors, like the pinks, the blues, that palette, with the matching lip gloss set. There's a Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in here. There's some Julep Beauty lip products in here. And then the new Maybelline Master Ink liquid lips. Those are super bomb, really nice. You guys are gonna love those. And then the Morphe Orpha Zenali collaboration vinyl, that is in there as well. So I know that was a mouthful, and I know I probably stumbled through every part of that because I just stuttered like 1,000 times, but I'm just really excited to get this video out here, and I'm ready to pick the winner. I want to see somebody's face, reaction, something. I just know you guys are always supporting me, and you have been there for me from day one. So I wanted to show you guys that same love back. I know you guys love makeup just as much as I do, so what's a better way than to give you makeup? My hair is really irritating me. If you want to know how to enter, this is how you do it. It's pretty simple. You just have to be subscribed to my YouTube and following me on Instagram, and just leave a comment below telling me what you're going to do with all these products. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, sad, dramatic, happy. I just want to know so I can see your face in the comments and I can just scroll through it and pick the winner. But yeah, I want to make sure it's going to someone that actually supports me and that cares about me and my journey here on YouTube and everywhere else. But yeah, I will be picking this person, like physically, I will be picking you. Why do I have this brush in my hand? I don't know. It's not going to be like a machine or something that's going to pick you guys. So I'm going to be reading each and every one of your comments, and I'm going to be hand picking one winner. So yeah, just make sure you're following the rules because I will be checking to see. But besides that, I hope you guys are amped and excited and happy because I really am, and I feel like I'm getting annoying at this point. There's nothing else for me to say, honestly. Other than good luck. Do you really need the luck though? Because the winner's watching this. You got it in the bag. I'm really annoying. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me talking about what I'm about to give away. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited, and don't forget to enter down below, and also don't forget to rate and subscribe as well. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.